Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to make video blurry in Capcut PC. The first thing you do is, as usual, open up your Capcut, import the video you want to add the blur effect to, and drag it to the timeline or add to the timeline. So once you've done that, now I don't want to make every part blurry, so I split it into two by clicking on this split it where I want, and now I want to make the beginning blurry. Or I can just make this part blurry. Let me make this part blurry. So I split it again. So this is part I want to make blurry. So I selected it. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to look for effects up here. You can see effects. Click on effects, and then you look for blur. Search for effects and click blur. So for that, there's no internet connection, so I have to connect. Let's not forget, this is the part we want to make blurry. So click on effects again, load, and now we have different types of blur. You can see different types of blur. Let's say I want to use a blur close. Click on it, download it, and then I bring it there, and then duration, send it where I want it to be, and now that's it. Now remember, there are different blur effects you can use. So after dragging and dropping the blur effect on your video clip, then I just said the duration. Now you can also adjust the speed here and the intensity. Let's see what it looks like. See, it's extremely blurry, so let us work on this intensity. See, there's blurry, extremely blurry. So I've chosen the one I want. I want it to be, let's say, like this. So after that, after adjusting the strength, intensity, higher value creates a stronger blur. So if I increase it, it will be stronger. If I reduce it to be lesser, as you can see. Then you can now create a mask if you want to blur maybe a person's face by using the masking tool. And then you can also adjust the settings. I wanted to preview the video and ensure the blur effect looks as we intend. Just see it does look as we intend. So let's preview the video. So that's it. As you can see, the blur effect is working until it comes back to normal. It's as simple as that.